Hello, my name is Todd DelBoccio's. I am the U.S. government teacher at Bradley High School. I'd like to give you some information about the course. The course is designed, it's for graduation to have a full credit, but it's broken into two sections. The first semester is quarter 1 and 2, which a student can earn a half a credit. And then the second semester is quarters 3 and 4 to earn the other half. They have to pass both sections to get that full credit in order to graduate. When you go into my course in Canvas, uh, you will click start here, and there's a lot of information in there. It tells a little bit about myself. It shows you, or it tells you where you can get my email. It's Todd_DelBoccio's@hboe.org. And then once you I'll tell a little bit about mastery. And mastery assessment is made up of 70% of the course. The other 30% comes from assignments and certain activities. But how mastery works is it's broken into four parts. You have beginning, which is 70 points, and that's multiple choice questions, maybe some matching. And then you have developing, which are a little higher level questions. And those are 9 questions of multiple choice, 1 point each, which brings you up to about 79%. And then you have achieving and extending. And those are both written response, and it's a little more thought into it. And those points will add up to 100, will get you 100%. And that is how mastery is, a short description of mastery, basically. And like I said, it's worth 70% of the grade, where other assignments and activities are worth the other 30%. Also, when you click into my course in Canvas and go to modules, everything will be in the modules this year. So usually for a unit, it's dated, what the entire unit is. I have it broken down into days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and also Friday. And if there is a point assigned to that activity, that means there's a due date and it is worth points. If you do see an assignment that does not have points attached to it, that means I still want the students to read it. They could be PowerPoints or a chart, but it's some type of activity that they need to know and be prepared when they come to class the next day. So if you see a point assigned to it, they have to turn it in. If there's 0 points, then it's just some type of activity that I want them to read. Once again, you could reach me at Todd DelBoccio's or Todd_DelBoccio's@hboe.org. And I look forward to having a great year. And it looks like we have a good group of kids. And I just want everyone to be safe, and let's get through this pandemic. Thank you, and you have a nice day, and look forward to seeing your sons and daughters. Thanks.